So I'm getting this error installing in Boost. Verification checksum was incorrect. So let's solve this problem together, and let's go to there and let's open this location. This is the location that you have to open in your VS Code on a same project. You can directly open from VS Code, or you can run this command as well. So I'm opening this as well, and after this, what we have to do, like we have to check this particular URL, and this is the URL that this command is trying to download from this particular URL. Let's first check that I mean what this particular URL is giving. I mean, is it giving any error or what? Yes, it is giving. It is, this URL is broken. So what we can do, like we can go to boost.org, and we can come up here and make sure that currently I'm using 1.76.0. This is the version, and you can go with the same version as well, or you just check I mean what version you are using in your project. So like I'm going with my project according to my project. So I'm just currently this okay, click on downloads. So the latest version is like 1.87, but I'm looking for 1.97, sorry, 1.76.0, right? So we can, what we can do, there is a button which is version history. We can click here, or then I have this 1.760, the same version that in my project, right? So I'm clicking on release notes. So in that, so like if you just look at it, uh, like this SHA 256, right? So this SHA 256 is the same as this package has. If I just like find Command F and find the same, so I'm able to match the same SHA. So what I'm going to do, if you just like right click and copy the link, and what we can do, like we can replace this URL with this URL. So yes, I have replaced it. And what you have to do, if you are not using the same version, you have to find your own version, whatever version you are using in your project. So you have to match that, and you can match like SHA 256, but in somehow that SHA 256 is not matching in your project. So what you can do, like you can do copy this link as well, and the copy this 256 SHA 256 as well. So you can replace both, like the URL and SHA 256 as well. So I'm not replacing SHA 256 for 256 because the same SHA 256 is available on the web. So just I'm replacing this URL, right? So I have replaced it. Now I have saved it, right? Now I'm again I will like do the same command. I will like try to install ports again. Before that, uh, I would be do the port cache clean. Now I will run the port install command. Let's see now. So as you can see, like Boost is not throwing the error. It has been installed properly. So let's wait for till it completes. So yes, everything is installed properly. Ports are installed properly. So I just want to tell you one more thing, that like if you haven't tried run on the pod repo update command, you should try that first. And the problem still persists after running that command, you can follow these steps, like what I'm saying, like this pod repo update. You should try this first, If everything solved while running this particular command, then it is fine. If problem still persists, then you can like follow these steps what I've recently showed in this video. Yeah, thank you so much.